They say make a hit for the industry, so here it goes. I am what I am, I don't know what else to propose. My last Game of Thrones, but these ain't Westeros flows. I'm making next year's moves, I'm wearing yesterday's clothes. Figures that I'm making, they just estimate those. I'm stacking my achievements, I don't celebrate those. Free champagne and another fake toast, cause they all say I made it, but I never came close. Now I'm taking in the scenery and they ain't what they seem. Down playing my dreams, and look at all that I've achieved. Man, we're thriving and free. Still you hate to believe I can't not miss you, every day I'm gonna grieve. Speak up, what's your grievance? They keep sending flowers but I don't receive them. Flowers on flowers like I had a bereavement. So I need like 20 mil before I sign the agreement.
I got the strip locked, got the label trying to tell me about viral on TikTok. But I just do me when all these pricks learn. Where I come from, I'm like Big Worm. I had it like the wire in the church, and if them labels give you a mil, you must be worth 10. So when you get your advance, don't forget that. The only